Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. In this video we are going to discuss the post of Senior Assistant Director in Custom and Central Excise Department in Serious Fraud Investigation Office. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. Serious Fraud Investigation Office, which is located in Lodi Road, New Delhi, has notified for the post of Senior Assistant Director in Custom and Central Excise. One post is there tentatively. For the place of posting would be Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, and the pay level will be level 10 in pay matrix, rupees 56,100 to 1,77,500, and the last date has been extended up to 20th of July 2021. What are the details required? We will be discussing that now in detail. And also it is mentioned that the selected candidate will also be eligible for special security allowance at the rate 20% of the basic pay, and no deputation allowance should be admissible along with SSA. Hence in this case your 56,100 plus 20% added would be your salary. What is the requirement? This is one post in level 10 pay matrix, 56,100 to 1,77,500 in General Central Services Group B gazetted non-ministerial. What are the requirements? Officers from the central government or the state government or union territories or public sector undertaking or statutory or autonomous organization holding analogous post on the regular basis in the parent cadre or department, or with 2 years in the grade rendered after appointment thereto on a regular basis in level 8 in the pay matrix of 47,600 to 1,51,100 or equivalent in the parent cadre or department, or with 3 years service in the grade rendered after appointment thereto on a regular basis in level 7 in the pay matrix rupees 44,900 to 1,42,400 or equivalent in the parent cadre or department, and also possessing the following education qualification and experience. What are those? Bachelor degree from a recognized university, 3 years experience in the field of enforcement of economic law such as Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, Foreign Exchange Management Act, Conservation of Foreign Exchange and Prevention of Smuggling Activities Act, and Custom and Excise. What are the desirables? Bachelor degree in law or chartered accountant or company secretary or cost and management accountant. These are the requirements, and the job description is also given in the advertisement along with the biodata and curriculum vitae, which has to be filled, and along with the document it has to be sent. Where all these document has to be sent? It is mentioned that all these documents we'll be discussing now. What are the documents required for the eligibility and other conditions are mentioned on sfio.nic.in/www.mca.gov.in. all those applications should be sent along with the ACRs and APRs, and also through the proper channel should be sent to the SFIO office, and all the other details mentioned for this advertisement will be uploaded is already on the website of sfio.nic.in. and the advertisement you have to open is for Senior Assistant Director, Custom and Central Excise. So friends, whosoever is eligible and is interested can apply for the post. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video, and have a very nice day.